and welcome back to another video. Today I'm just bored. I'm just sitting on my chair right there. So I'm going to be shooting every single Nerf gun that I have one time. Okay, so number one gun, Nerf blaster, whatever you call it, is this guy right here. And he is the strong arm. So let's see what he looks like. Wow, that's probably a 9 out of 10. Oh, you guys are watching? Oh, that was actually pretty good. You couldn't really see the blaster, but it was him. It was pretty good. I didn't think it was gonna be that good. Next one that we got is, let me take this one off. So most of you are going to like this. Personally, I don't like this game. Just fight about it in the comments down below, but I don't like this game. But I like Minecraft better. Fortnite blaster. It can hold 3 at a time. A bullet over here that actually goes to the blaster. Maybe yesterday. It holds 3, by the way. We're only gonna do 1. So, okay, guys, I just shot that one. It shot pretty good, actually. It kind of hit back really, well, not really hard, but it hit back pretty hard. So, yeah, but guys, since this is taking a very long time, I'm just going to keep pausing and shooting, so I might not get to show you all of them, but I might. Guys, since this is going to, so like I said, I'm just going to be shooting them at the camera, so yeah. Cut. Yeah! No Nerf. Top cock. Yes, sir. Modified Nerf gun. Awesome. Big mega gun. versus you. Second modified Nerf gun. Yes, sir. Let's do this thing. Double whammy, double shot off camera. Guys, we're about halfway through. But just look how much space is in there. Whoa, I almost just dropped you down there. Look how much space is down there. Oh, you guys might go upside down. Okay, no, you guys won't go upside down. Okay, guys. Look at all the space in there. Oh, no. Okay, guys. I'm getting this back on, but look at all these. So, I'm just going to start the angle doing this, and... Double shot whammy. The rampage. Sling fire. This is called the lawnmower gun. Yeah! Do you know? Cut. Okay, that's not fitting. Action. Do you know what a hamburger is? This is what it is. Cut. Action. Do you know what a hamburger is? This is what a hamburger is. I ain't a bullet. Cut, by the way. Yeah. Action. Do you know what a hamburger is? This is what a hamburger is. Yeah, let's go. I'm Mr. Wiener Snitchel Doodle, Aston Carnacion, Ternamalino, Wingran, Album, Wingran, Questano, and Norse National, Nina Snitchel, Big Belly Ballooned, Bamboom. Holy nutcracker. Guys, we are rolling up on the final gun. But it's sad because it's not a Nerf gun. It doesn't show me the brand, but it's almost broken, so I'm going to give it away. So if any of you want it, just, okay, I'm not a real YouTuber yet, so I don't know how to do all that stuff. So I guess none of you can get it. I'm sorry, guys. Plus, you guys probably don't even... Ow, I just got my finger stuck. Cut. Okay, got my finger unstuck. But I don't know how to do all that stuff yet, so yeah. Okay, guys, just show you how bad this gun is. Doesn't even stay like when it's supposed to, like this. I have to do that. She's pretty good. But it's not that good of a... Look at this. So that's terrible. Hey guys, I am done with all the Nerf guns. It's been a long while. And I'm on the video call because we're about to start Hanukkah. Isn't that Christmas for Jewish people? So yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell. and share. And so yeah, bye.